Well, hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And in today's video, I'm really excited to review a brand new Kawai GL20 piano. Brand new unboxing and review. So let's go.
Okay. It's good.
Hi everyone. Today I just got a new piano. It's the Kawai GL20. I think the length is 5'3", and they just delivered it and installed it. It's brand new. I'm just gonna test it out. I'm gonna open this lid first. Okay. And I'm gonna try to tough for me to do. I'm just going to open this layer first. Okay, make a small opening. Okay. It's a great piano. Okay, so it's very nice. It feels like a brand new piano. It's just out of the box. I'm just gonna test it out right now. Yep, sounds great. The high range is very sharp, but I think that's just because the piano is brand new. Yep, I'm gonna play a piece just to test it out. So this also has the music stand feature where you put your music on while you're practicing. This is the second level piano you can you can get out of Kawai. The first level is GL10. That one is a little bit smaller. I believe it's 5'1" in length. This one is the second level up, which is a GL20. I mean, depending on your level, if you're very, very advanced, then I think this is still a very beginner level piano, I think. But if you're just, playing for fun, for entertainment, I think this is a good piano to have. I also looked at the GL30, which is about 5'5" in length. That one is a little bit longer than this one, and I think, if you're an advanced player but you don't play it that much, I think that one is probably the best option. I went with the GL20 because of my budget and everything. I think it's great. I'm not a professional piano player, so I play just for entertaining and for my own purpose, so I think this is a great size and level and model. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks.
How's the sound?
The sound is very good. I feel like the higher range is a little bit too sharp right now. I think you know, new pianos always come with this kind of like sharpness into the higher range, but I think that can be toned down a little bit as you use it. The lower range sounds okay right now to me, and the pedals, they all work pretty well. I mean, it is pretty good for a beginner level piano. Yeah.